Snoring is, in fact, the vibration of respiratory structures and the resulting sound due to obstructed air movement during breathing while sleeping. The sound may be soft in some cases, but mostly, it can be loud and unpleasant. Snoring during sleep may be a sign, or first alarm, of obstructive sleep apnea. According to the National Sleep Foundation, 90 million American adults snore sometimes, and 37 million people snore on a regular basis. Snoring disrupts your sleep or that of your partner. Even if it's not bothering you too much, it's not a condition to ignore. Number 1. Lose weight if you are overweight. This will help reduce the amount of tissue in the throat that might be causing your snoring. You can lose weight by reducing your overall caloric intake by eating smaller portions on more healthy foods. Make sure you get regular exercise daily. You may also consider seeing your doctor or a nutritionist for help. Number 2. Sleeping on one side. A person is more likely to snore if they lie on their back, which can cause the tongue to move to the back of the throat. This makes breathing harder and can cause the vibrations of snoring. Sleeping on one side may allow the air to flow more smoothly, reducing the vibrations. This may either stop the sound of a snore or make it quieter. Number 3. Quitting smoking. If you are a smoker, in addition to harming overall health, smoking irritates the airways, and this can make snoring worse. If a person smokes, quitting may help them to snore less, if at all. Number 4. Limit or avoid alcohol before bed. Try not to consume alcohol for at least 2 hours leading up to your bedtime. Alcohol can relax the throat muscles, causing snoring. Number 5. Avoiding sleeping pills. Sedative medications, or sleeping pills, can lead to very deep sleep. This may have a relaxing effect on the throat muscles and cause snoring. Number 6. Treat chronic allergies. Allergies can reduce airflow through your nose, which forces you to breathe through your mouth. This increases the likelihood that you'll snore. Talk to your doctor about what kind of over-the-counter or prescription allergy medications may improve your condition. Number 7. Elevating the head. Elevating the head using additional pillows may help to open the airways, reducing or eliminating snoring. Marketers offer pillows designed to prop up the body and prevent snoring. Number 8. Nasal dilators or strips. Blocked or narrow airways may also cause snoring, and a nasal dilator or strip can help. They are designed to keep a person's nose open while they sleep. This helps them to breathe more easily and may stop or reduce snoring. Number 9. Nasal sprays. When blocked or narrow airways cause snoring, a nasal spray may also be useful. Nasal sprays can help to reduce inflammation in the nose and airways, opening them up. If a person is looking for a long-lasting snoring remedy, they may consider surgery. Several types of prevention surgery are available. Number 10. Get enough sleep. It's important to get enough sleep. Sleep helps keep your mind and body healthy. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep on a regular schedule each night. Make changes to your routine if you can't find enough time to sleep. A person who snores may want to consider a surgical procedure if other prevention remedies have failed.